I'm Dorkin Angkokya, and this is my partner, Gio Hamis, and we're tackling about growing issue in plastic pollution.
Partner, do you know that over 300 million tons of plastic are produced each year? And some of them are going to end up in our oceans. But change is possible.
Today, we are joined by two experts who are fighting plastic pollution. Let's meet them.
Please welcome one of our guests for today's segments, Lauren Monyak. She's the founder of Green Movement Organizations. Please welcome her.
Thank you, Gio. It's an honor.
Please have a seat. Okay, Ms. Lauren, let's dive into these discussions. I have some question. Where does plastic pollution come from?
The biggest problem is like single-use plastic like bags, bottles, and straws. Then there are microplastic from synthetic fabrics and cosmetics. These tiny particles are hard to clean up.
Thank you for your insight, Ms. Lauren. So that is the reason why plastic pollution is growing up.
So our second guest for today is Poopy Pagalan, a marine biologist. So let's welcome her. So Poopy, what does plastic have on marine life?
Plastic is deadly. Animals mistake it for food, leading to starvation or involved. And toxins from plastic move up the food chain, affecting even humans.
Now let's talk solutions. How can environmental management system help fight plastic pollution?
We need better waste management, reducing plastic source, encouraging recycling, and using eco-friendly alternatives.
Business and governments must lead sustainable policies and education to inspire people to change.
So based on your solutions, what can be done right now?
Local bans on plastic using reusable items and community cleanups.
Collaboration is crucial. Industries, governments, and people all need to work together.
What's something everyone can do to reduce plastic?
Start small, use reusable bags, bottles, and say no to straws. Support businesses with eco-friendly packaging.
And spread the word, education sparks change.
So anyone from our dear audience would like to ask something?
Does recycling help?
Recycling plastic is not enough. Reducing plastic is the key.
Thank you guys for your wonderful insight. Remember, change starts with us and every choice counts.
Join us next week on Eco Talks and stay curious and stay green. That's all. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Shows us the power of awareness and teamwork to protect the environment.
We understand the importance to change our habits to help save nature.
This activity teaches us that a small action can help solve big environmental problems.
I realized that everyday plastic use impact the animals and the planet.
We learned that raising awareness through simple conversation can speed real change for the environment.
And we learn how plastic pollution affects our world and what we can do to stop it.
It helps businesses and communities work together for a healthier planet.
It sets clear steps to reduce pollution and improve our sustainability.
The environmental management system guides us to live in cleaner and greener way.
It reminds us caring the earth is everyone's responsibility.
Environmental management system give us a clear plan to build reduce harm to nature and build more sustainable future.
It helps us protect nature by managing waste, saving resources, and making better choices.